The number density of electron in copper is 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 per m to the power minus 3. Determine the current flowing through a copper wire of length 0.2 meter. Area of cross section is 1 mm square when connected to a battery of 3 volt. Given the electron mobility is this much and charge on electron is given. That means number density is given and area of cross section is given, length of wire is given and mobility is given, charge of electron is given. That means first write down the given statement. That given condition is n is number density. If number density is how much? 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 per meter cube. Okay, per meter cube. Another condition is determine the current flowing through a copper wire. That means length is given. So L is equal to length of the conductor L. So L is equal to how much? The length of the conductor copper is 0.2 meter. That is length of conductor is 0.2 meter is given, and given is volt is given of this much area of cross section, and another is the area of cross section is given. Okay, A is equal to area of cross section is 1 mm square. Area of cross section is given. 1 mm square is nothing but 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, meter square. And another statement is section of area when connected battery of 3 volt. V volt equal to 3 volt. Volt is given, potential is given, and mobility is mu is given. Electron mobility is mu. So mobility is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 meter square volt into second. And another is given electron is given 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Electron is given. First we have to calculate the electric field intensity. So electric field is the electric field intensity. So electric field equal to potential by length. Okay, the electric field equal to potential by length. कारण आम फास्ट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाहर करिया पड़ियो कारण इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड हूँ कौन ना पोटेंशियल बाय लेंथ. ओके, और डिस्टेंस. So we have to calculate electric field. E is equal to potential is given 3, length of the conductor is 0.2, is nothing but 30 by 2. If 30 by 2 is nothing but 15 volt per meter. Okay, now we have to find the how much current. Okay, when connected a battery, so determine the current. So we have to first calculate the current. So I is equal to, that means current I is equal to, your formula is NEA VD. Okay, drip velocity. But in case of drip velocity also written as NEA, drip velocity is equal to mobility into electric field. Okay, so drip velocity is equal to mobility. Therefore that means mobility is equal to drip velocity by electric field. Okay, using this formula. So I equal to how much? N is the number. We have N equal to NE. So N is value of N equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 into, E is given. E is 1.6 10 to the minus 19, and number density is given. Number density is 8.5 into 10 to the power 28, and area of cross section A is equal to 10 to the power minus 6. Area of cross section is 10 to the power minus 6 into mobility. Mobility is equal to how much? Mobility is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 into, so E is electric field. Electric field is 15. Okay, now we have to calculate all multiply. So we get I is equal to 0.1918 ampere. Okay, therefore the current I is equal to 0.918 ampere. Okay, this much your answer. Okay, so first number density is equal to 8.5 into 10 to the power 28 meter cube is given. This one is the number density, and another is given. So length of the conductor is 0.2 is length of the conductor is given, and area of cross section, cross sectional area, that means area of conductor. So that means here 1 mm equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, 1 mm is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter. That's why square is 10 to the power minus 6. Another is the potential is given. So potential 3 volt, a battery of 3 volt connected in 3 volt battery, that potential is equal to 3 volt. And mu is the mobility. Okay, so mobility is equal to 4.5. Electron mobility is this much given, charge of electron. So first we have to calculate the electric field. Okay, E is equal to V by L. E is equal to V by L. So potential, electric field intensity equal to what? Electric field intensity equal to potential by distance. Okay, that is V is equal to, sorry, E is equal to V by L. So V is equal to 3, L is equal to 0.2. So 30 by 2 in case of now, that is 3, 0.2 means what? 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means 3 into 10 divided by 2. So 30 by 2 equal to 15 volt per meter. Okay. So next calculate current. This one is the current. So current equal to I. Current equal to NA VD. VD means drip velocity. N is equal to number density. E is equal to charge of electron. A is equal to area of cross section. VD is equal to drip velocity. What do you know drip velocity what? And these two statements, mobility, drip velocity, mobility is equal to drip velocity by electric field. Okay, again VD is equal to how much? Mu into E, mobility into electric field. Okay, so I is given, I is equal to 1 point. So this one is the charge of electron, and mobility, and this one the area of cross section. Sorry, yes, this one. Okay, number density. So electron, charge of electron, and this one the number density, area of cross section, mobility, and field electric intensity. So that's why we get 0.918 ampere. So the amount of current equal to 0.198 ampere. Okay, this much your answer. Okay, then 8 number कौन given अच्छी ना number density given अच्छी. Okay, number density कहते हैं 8.5 10 to the power 28 देइची, और length देइची 0.2 क्वेश्चन दिया है ची, area of cross section दिया है ची, volt potential भी given अच्छी, और मोबिलिटी भी दी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड किंतु से क्वेश्चन पचार करेन्ट तेणु करेन्ट बाहर करने आमको ये कौन दरकार इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड दरकार तेणु इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आम बाहर करदे फर्मुला हो पोटेंशियल बाय लेंथ तेणु इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आम बाहर करूँ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बाहर कराया से क्वेश्चन पचार कौन डिटरमाइन द करेन्ट तेणु करेन्ट बाहर कराया फर्मुला हो NA VD आम से फर्मुला यूज कलु NA VD VD हूँ डी वेलोसिटी किंतु डी वेलोसिटी आम जानते मोबिलिटी इक्वल डी वेलोसिटी बाय इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी यही फर्मुला तेणु एपटी कौन हो ना VD डी वेलोसिटी के मोबिलिटी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड तेणु मुझे लिखिले मोबिलिटी इंटू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ओके तापर कौन कले ना ये चार्ज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वैल्यू तो देइछि क्वेश्चन एटा पुट कले n हूँ नंबर डेंसिटी तो देइछि क्वेश्चन आउ ये हूँ एरिया क्रॉस सेक्शन हूँ 1 mm स्क्वायर तेणु आम जानते गोटा mm हूँ कि 10 to the -3 तार होल स्क्वायर है 10 to the 6 हो तेणु से मुझे लिखिली नेक्स्ट हूँ कौन मोबिलिटी देती या आम जो मल्टीप्लाई कर मल्टीप्लाई कले कले 0.918 एम्पियर हो ओके थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।